Okay, peeps, here's chemical reactions packet, page 4. You just have to determine whether these are balanced or unbalanced. And as soon as you see something that's not balanced, you're done. So let's start with this. Iron plus sulfur makes iron sulfide. This is balanced. There's just one of everything. Here we can immediately see this is not balanced. There's 2 oxygens on the reactant side and only 1 oxygen on this side. Because remember what we're doing here. We have reactants on one side of the arrow and products on the other. And all the atoms on the 2 sides must be equal to each other. Okay, 1 carbon, 2 oxygens, that's balanced. 4 phosphates, and there you go. The oxygens are not balanced. This is not balanced. Can you see that you would need a 5 in front of that? If you had a coefficient of a 5, it would balance. Okay, 2 hydrogens, but the oxygens are not balanced. The sodiums are not balanced. The copper, 1 copper, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogens, that's balanced. Here the coppers are not balanced. Zinc is balanced. The chlorine is balanced. There's 2 on both sides. And the hydrogen is balanced. There's 2 on both sides, so that's balanced. Calcium, they're 2 and 2. All right, this is a little bit of a pain. Remember, because of this 2, that means there's 2 oxygens here and 2 hydrogens here, but they're timed 2. So there's 4 oxygens and 4 hydrogens here. Total. 2 because of the 2 times 2. Plus these additional 2 hydrogens. So there's actually 6 hydrogens on this product side, but you only start with 2 hydrogens, so this is way out of balance. Okay, the sodiums, 2 sodiums, 4 hydrogens, and 4 hydrogens. See this? 2 times 2. 2 times 1, I'm sorry. So that's 2 hydrogens here plus another 2 here. So that's 4. So the hydrogens are 4 on both sides. The oxygens, 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 1 is also 2. So the oxygens are good. This is balanced. This one, nitrogen and hydrogen making ammonia. 2 nitrogens, 6 hydrogens, and 6 hydrogens. This is balanced. 2 nitrogens, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. That's balanced. 2 magnesiums. The oxygens are not balanced though. There's 2. Oh, yes they are. Sorry. Oops. Yeah. 2 times 1. There's 2. Yeah, they're both balanced. Number 15. 1 sodium, and we can see the chlorines are not balanced. This is unbalanced. Can you see how you'd fix this one? You'd put a 2 here, which would give you 2 chlorines. You can't put a 2 down here. You're not allowed to do that because that's not sodium chloride. Sodium and chlorine only go together one way. They only go together like this. So you can't change any of the subscripts. You can only change the big coefficient in the front. But yeah, if you put that 2 there, you'd have to put a 2 here. Then you'd be balanced. But okay. All right, let's see. The irons are balanced. Chlorines, there's 2. Hydrogens, 2 and 2. That's balanced. Okay, this is a mess. We can see this is not balanced. There's 8 carbons, but there's only 1 here, so that's way out of balance. Ooh, biology, right? Glucose plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide and water. Okay. That's what you are doing right now listening to this video. Peeps, you remember this from biology? This is the equation for respiration. You are digesting glucose in your cells thanks to the oxygen you're breathing, and you are breathing out carbon dioxide and water. Okay, smiley face. is this balanced? 6 carbons, 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygens here, plus another 12. So oxygens are 6 plus another 12. Oxygens are 18. Do we have 18 on this side? We got 12, 6 times 2, we got 12 here, and we got 6 times 1, 6 there. So yep, we're good. It's balanced. Some of you asked last year when you had to memorize this equation, did you have to know these 6s? And last year, I don't think most of us in biology made you memorize that. Anyway, there we go. That's page 4.